Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's SlimmTrader back at it again with a weekend analysis for USDJPY. Just wanted to give you a quick bias on how I feel it may play out for the coming week. Right now, it looks like it's due for a pullback before it begins its next impulse move to the upside. So if I zoom in on the 4-hour, we do have this strong leg that has been going since the beginning of the month, and now it looks like it's starting to retrace a little bit. And I'm trying to keep my chart pretty clean so you guys can follow along with what's going on. But I have this level right here. Price seemed to react to it a little bit, reject it a little bit before initially breaking through, retesting, coming up, try to make support, breaking back down, then retesting, and then a strong bearish, very strong bearish candle, and ended the week with a green bullish candle. It's still below the counter trend. We have the moving average crossing over. If I do hide the candlesticks, we do have the moving average crossing over, red over the blue. Kind of gives you an idea that we may be going down a little bit more, but we will see. On the higher time frames, they haven't quite crossed yet. Like if we go to the daily, you see it's definitely not the case. So price can still continue to go up. So you got to be wary and careful about that if you're trying to counter trend trade. But with this level right here, it's definitely a big major level. And the reason why I say that, if I was to extend this bar over to the left, we can follow it over previous times back in last year when price was around this level. We can see how price reacted to the same zone. We had price come here, kind of consolidate before pushing up. We tap down, tap down, tap down, again tap down before breaking through. That was the last time price did come in this area. Even right here, price wicked and came down. So definitely an area to be reckoned with. Not saying it could be a reversal, but I think it has enough strength to bring price down to maybe the 143.5 area. And if we're anticipating the pullback, we can set our fib from the swing low to the swing high, and we can see price lines up perfectly 61.8 right here on this this area that I have at the 143.5 zone. And the reason why I have that level is because this is where price made the last higher high, and then here it kind of was trying to make it as a support too. So as of right now, we're looking at a retracement for USDJPY, and where the possibility of it to turn around and continue up, we'll have to figure that out. We'll just have to see what the market wants to do for the week, but it definitely seems like a great setup for a buy, let alone a counter trend trade to the downside.